Hey money movers, welcome back to Millennial Money Moves with Nadia. Today we are going to be talking about AMC yet again. It's a hot topic, so you know I had to come on here and make a quick video about it. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Stay tuned.
So Nadia, what's up?
We making money moves.
Who making money moves?
We making money moves.
You making money moves?
We making money moves.
We making money moves.
We making money. Welcome back, money movers. Like I said, we're going to be talking about AMC. This whole thing has made me want to go to the movies. I feel like I have to support what I'm investing in. You know what's funny about AMC is the stock isn't necessarily doing well because the company is doing well. This is not one of the typical things where you invest in the stock market and you go, okay, I like their earnings reports, I like their financials, I feel like their business is coming back. It's not anything like that. Some people had been investing in it as a post-COVID play, which was like logical investing thinking. However, this is a battle now between hedge funds and retail investors. And yesterday what we saw is AMC sold 11 million of their shares in their stock. And so a lot of people panicked. There was this that caused the price to drop. And then also there was another big red in the candlestick because people were selling off their stock and doing some profit taking. Now I got in an AMC position, and I know I mentioned on here the first day I got in AMC, I day traded, and then I got back in it and held my position. I planned on holding it a lot longer, but I was up over 100%, so I ended up selling it. And then when there was that dip after sell-off, I bought back in around $40-ish, and now I am holding. I want to see what's going to happen with the squeeze. I think it's really cool. I really, really like this movement. It's just been overall crazy. Even if you guys look at the calls on the options trades for the next 2 weeks, people are thinking it's going to be up another 100%. So I don't think we've seen the top of this yet. I'm curious to see what you guys are doing. Are you guys holding? Did you do some profit taking? Because people have been, now you have AMC millionaires. We talked about the Doge millionaires, but now there are people who have made some serious money with AMC. And I think that's awesome. I mean, especially like I said, this is a gamble. It could go either way. With the price when it dropped down yesterday after the report about AMC, the price started to go back up because so many retail investors are buying it that it was only it took a little hit, but it went right back up throughout the day. And it's just really crazy to see how the price is just fluctuating up and down this chart. When I look at the chart, it's crazy. I don't know if you guys have been looking at the charts, the stock candle for this one, but it is all over. But it's so much fun. So many new investors are getting into the stock market because of the AMC, GameStop, not Bitcoin, but crypto. People are hearing about ADA. People are hearing about what happened with Dogecoin, and they're like, hey, I don't want to miss out on this. So if you're new to investing, welcome to my channel. You should definitely go and check out my older videos because I really explain how to be a smart investor and where to get started. And for those of you who have been in this for a minute, this is something different than, you guys have probably seen in the past. There's a lot of stuff going on right now, which is interesting because I feel like the stock market is pretty quiet right now, with everything else. I haven't really touched anything. One of you asked for a stock update. Ford and WY are my only latest new purchases. I got some more Tesla yesterday because Tesla had a dip. After watching Uncle Larry's video, I was like, you're right, Tesla did have a dip. Let me load up some more on that one. But you guys know I had been in Tesla. I've been getting fractional shares of Tesla for a while, and I definitely see that one having room to grow. The price predictions for that one within the next 5 years are insane. So even if I'm not buying full shares, just getting some of it in until I work my way up to a couple shares, because between now and 2025, if I keep buying the dips and dollar cost averaging in, I will have a decent amount of Tesla. So that's my goal for now. I really want to invest as wisely as I can. For those of you who just started investing into the stock market now, don't expect it to all be stuff like AMC and GameStop where people are becoming millionaires overnight. But the thing about this is you never know. It could happen again with another stock. I love what they're doing. I feel like the way that investing works is really, really changing. I don't know if you guys watch Trey's Trade. He's been making videos solely on AMC for a while now, and I love his videos. I love his updates. I think it's really cool to see how dedicated people are to AMC and GameStop and the whole movement, and I'm holding this time because I think it could have room to grow within the next few weeks. Now, like I said, this is super gambly, it's super volatile, so don't look at this as like, oh, Nadia said this, so it's gonna go. We really don't know. Nobody has a magic crystal ball, but I have faith in this one, so I'm holding out, and I want to see where the stock can go. I think those are my biggest updates. If you've been paying attention, you know what's going on, you know, not making a lot of other moves in the market right now. I will be back this week doing more updates on Matic, Tezos, Cardano. Those are cryptos that I'm pretty bullish on right now that I really like. Bitcoin kind of went up for a little bit, and then, you know how Bitcoin goes up, comes back down. Super volatile crypto, especially after Elon Musk starts tweeting. You know, he gets a little Twitter happy and starts tweeting things, and then the market's affected all of a sudden. So, you know, I'm definitely going to be giving you guys those kinds of updates. And I was going to make a video yesterday, but, you know, I had the stomach flu. I'm still not 100% recovered. But I definitely felt the need to come on here and give updates about what's going on so you guys know what to do with your money, especially for those of you who are new investors. If you watch my channel, if you bought into AMC and you're like, okay, well, now what? So I did a little bit of profit taking, bought back in on the dip, and I'm holding. I want to see this thing through until the end. Also, forgot to mention where you can buy AMC. There's a link in my description box below to Webull. You can click on it, deposit $100, download the link. You will get 2 free stocks worth up to $1,850. So definitely check that out. And for the cryptocurrencies that I mentioned, you can click on my link in the description box below. If you deposit $100 there, you will get some free Bitcoin. And if you don't like Bitcoin, you know, once you're in there, you can convert that Bitcoin into other cryptos, so you're not stuck in there. I felt that was important to mention because some people don't want to invest in Bitcoin right now. You have options. So definitely check out Coinbase, check out Webull. That's where I hold, I'm holding my AMC position on Webull. And I use Webull, Fidelity, and Coinbase. I felt the need to, you know, reshare that because some of you ask where I am holding my positions, and it's those 3 apps. I don't have money anywhere else. I think that was about it. I just wanted to give you guys an update and remind you that this is not working like a usual stock where, you know, you'll see things making sense with the company, why it's going up and down, and whales are holding, and they bought this, and they're investing in this now, and their earnings report was great, and more people are going to the movies. Maybe more people will start going to the movies if they have shares in it. I'm just really curious to see what's going to happen with this whole thing. I mean, there's already been movies made about the first AMC and GameStop movement that happened, and I think this time the retail investors could win with AMC. I think we can beat the hedge funds, so I want to hold and I want to be a part of that. I want to be able to say, hey, you know, I put some money in there. I helped push the movement along. So many, millions of people are starting to invest, and so many got in just because of AMC. And the thing is, if you're in now, I don't want you to just stop there. I don't want you to only invest in that. You can invest in so many things for the long term, for the future, that will build you generational wealth within the next 5 to 10 years. And the younger you start, the better, because I'm only, how old am I? I'm 22. So I'm hoping in the next, 5 to 10 years, I will have made some serious gains in the market, building up my Roth IRA, my long-term investments. You guys know I'm very heavy on EV and tech. And along the way, I'm going to pick up little money that I can with these cryptos and with AMC and things like that, because it's all about making money. If you can make money before the next 5 years and you can make some now, why not? That's exactly why I'm going to be a part of something like this. I love the movement, but I have made some money, but I'm hoping to make some more. If you guys watch Uncle Larry's videos, he quadrupled down on this one, so he's got a couple different positions on it, and he really is still holding. We were talking about it yesterday. I sold out of mine, and he was like, oh, why'd you sell? I think there's more money to be made. And I agreed with him. I just get scared with things like this. So I did some profit taking, but then bought right back in because I want to see where it goes, and I love the movement. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated with AMC, with what I'm doing, and more live. Like I said, I wanted to make a video yesterday, but I was extremely sick. So be careful if you guys are going back out again. I don't have COVID, I just had stomach flu. But again, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. And remember, we're making money moves. Have a good day. Bye.
Webull. Enjoy hours of pre- and post-market trading. Stocks and cryptocurrencies all in one app. Finally, a phone-friendly, easy-to-use trading app that helps you become a better trader. Soon you'll be trading like a pro. Webull, the future of trading. Click the link below in the description. Deposit $100 and get 2 free stocks worth up to $1,850.